Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease text size on text message in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to show you my current text size on my text message. So this is the text message, and I'm going to change the text size. Okay, we can go to our setting, go to your setting, and you are going to go to the display setting. This one guys, open the display setting and go to the font size and style. Okay, and here you will be able to increase or decrease the text size. You can make it bigger or smaller, and for instance I'm going to make it bigger like this, and then I'm going to go back to my text message to check it. Okay, and as you can see guys that the text size has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to increase or decrease text size on text message in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.